you must also reject a lot of companies.
Sure.
I wonder, have you thought about how do you reject companies, given that you get so many applicants?
We think about it all the time. First of all, one of the things that's really important to us for applicants to understand is that rejection from YC is not a long-term thing. Many, many people, something like 30 or 40% of the folks who get into Y Combinator have been rejected in a previous application. So it's never a no forever, it's more a no for right now. We don't think you're ready. Now, we do get so many applications that if you're rejected at the application stage, you just get an automatic reply without any real feedback as to why you got rejected. Paul Graham actually wrote an essay on this, which is, why wasn't I accepted? This actually holds true for the next stage, whether you're interviewed or not, but mostly for this stage is sometimes there's no reason that we can really articulate. It's just that, we just didn't think that the application was sufficiently ready. And it's really an art and a science and our intuition and our experience, whatever it is. But then we interview companies, and when we interview companies and we reject them, we're very explicit as to why. We send a personal note to every company, and we think that's super important. Lots of companies that make it to interviews and don't make it for a particular batch get in for a future batch. So it's super important that we we give them a useful reply, a reply that's respectful, because it's disappointing, right? It's disappointing to make it into interviews and not make it, and we get that. But hopefully a reply that gives hope that, maybe we're not getting it. We'd love to see you back in the future. And regardless, we hope and this is true, we hope they're successful, regardless.